In the previous video we assembled this whole mechanism, so in this video I am going to animate this. So this is in this we are manually uh, rotating with the help of mouse. So so after that we will not have to move with the help of mouse, it will move automatically. So we are going to motion study in SolidWorks and it will solve our problem. So I open the motion study, I go to this, I select the motor, and this motor area pop out here. So we click this and see motor location. So click here, this is where our motor would be located. So this red arrow shows the direction of motion, so motor will move in this direction. So which component to move with relative to motor, so we here place this and select this. So this is the part where it will move relative to the motor. Okay, so here the mount, here is the mounting of motor, and this will be fitted at the shaft of motor. So you can consider like this. So I make RPM like 30 RPM, I keep RPM 30, and uh, we are good to go. Let's see. Now we go to this calculate play from start or play. So I just play. So it is again and again it is moving in a loop. If I finish the loop, then it will play only once. Yeah, so you can also increase the time period from here, and it will move more time, I think so. So this is how we animated our mechanism. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much. In the next video I'll come with next topic.